Hello friends, welcome to the video tutorials of Object Oriented Programming. This is Rajul Suthar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Bhat Gandhinagar. In previous session we have discussed about the 2D shape. So what do you mean by 2D shape? 2D shape is a geometrical figure that can be drawn on XY plane like line, rectangle, circle, whatever we can draw by using the 2D shape. So in the NetBeans you have to install the JavaFX library to run this type of a program. Predefined shape like the line, rectangle, circle, ellipse, polygon, polyline, cubic curve, quadratic curve and arc you can draw. And which are the path elements? So what is the path element? Move to from one path to another, one location to another location. Move to the path element. Line, horizontal line, vertical line, cubic curve, or you can draw the 2D shape by using the SVG path. Each of the above mentioned 2D shape is represented by the class which belong to the package javafx.scene.shape. This class name shape is the base class of all two-dimensional shape in JavaFX. So let me discuss the class for the shape, that is a javafx.scene.shape. Various type of a shape class available, like if you want to draw the line, so this is the example. You have to set line is equal to new line is one object, and line set start x means it is start from first point is 100 and line set start y, here the x and y coordinate we have to set the value 100 and 150, so it become one line. But x end with 500 means length of the line is 100 to 500 and y remains same, so value of y remains same, then we can draw the line. Same way for rectangle, we can draw the rectangle by using this example and create the object for rectangle. We can create the circle by using this way, circle object, and for circle we require the center point. So here x coordinate represent the center point 300 and y coordinate we also require to draw the circle. And one of the most important parameter is radius. So here 100 is nothing but a radius of circle. Same way for the ellipse, you can draw the x and y like an circle, but also required one more parameter, like ellipse is using the y coordinate, we are differentiate the y coordinate, so also required one parameter, that is a y coordinate. Polygon we can draw by using this example. This is the class of polygon. Polyline we can draw. So try this type of example by installing the JavaFX library in NetBeans. Chord curve is equal to new chord curve is one object of a chord curve. We can draw the arc. What is a JavaFX color? JavaFX.scene paint. This package provides various classes to apply the color to an application. This package contains the abstract class name paint, and it is the base class of all the class that are used to apply the color. Using this class you can apply color in following pattern, like uniform, so color is applied uniformly through the node. Image pattern, we can fill the region of a node with an image. Gradient, the color pattern, this color applied to the node arise from one point to the another point. It has two kind of gradients, namely linear gradient and radial gradient. For that we require the instance of a color. So instance of a color, that means a color class can be created by providing the red, green, blue, and we also require the opacity of particular value, that ranging from 0 to 1 in double value. Double is data type. For the instance we required color is equal to new color value of each and every color in double data type. So double red, double green, double red, double blue, and opacity also cover one value that is in double data type. Like here one example, if you represent the color is equal to new color, so this is the first value is red color, second first 0.0, second 0.3 for a green color, 0.2 used for blue color, and opacity value that 0 to 1. So here we indicate the 1.0. Instance of a color class can be created using following methods. By using this way you can create like RGB. So color C is equal to color dot RGB. First value of R, second value of G, and 255 is nothing but the value of blue color. We can use the HSB value. Same way you can use the hexadecimal code instead of particular value. So this is the various type of instance for a color. Apply color to the nodes by using set field color. This method is used to apply the color to nodes such as a shape, text, etc. Set stroke color. This method is used to apply the stroke to particular node. So setting the color to text color is equal to new color dot beige text dot set fill color. Setting the color to stroke by using one object that is called dark slate blue. So we can use this way to setting the color to stroke. Here one example, how can we create the circle for in the JavaFX. So we import the various type of file like import javafx.application. We require javafx.scene.star means it's all file. javafx.scene.paint, we are using the paint color. Then javafx.stage, scene.shape.circle. So it cover the all packages related to the circle. Then here the name of a class is color example. It extend application. We override method public void start stage is one method. Here main method is used and we are launching by using the argument. So this is the concept of circle. Circle is one object, so we have to create one object for circle. Circle is equal to new circle is nothing but the instance, or we can say that object is created. Circle dot set center, we required circle required one center point, and y coordinate, that is the we are drawing the circle outside from particular location. And what is the radius? So radius is nothing but it is the center point to outer line. It is the value 90. So in this program the output will be display like radius of from center 300 to 90. We required a group. Root is equal to new group is instance of a group. Scene is equal to new scene. We required root and x and y coordinate. Here circle dot set fill color, we set the dark red color, and stroke width is 3. Circle dot set stroke color dot dark slate blue. So try this type of example in NetBeans. What is JavaFX? Image. You can load and modify the image using the class provided by JavaFX in the package javafx.scene.image. JavaFX support the image format like BMP file, GIF file, JPG file or PNG file. How can we load the image? here the class image of javafx.scene.image package is used to load an image. Any of the following argument is required to constructor of a class. An input stream object of the image to be loaded, or we required file input stream. This method is most important to load the particular file. File input stream is equal to new file input stream, and we require the path where our image is stored. So here the path is c:/image.jpg. Image is equal to new image input stream. A string value or a string variable holding the URL for the image equal to new image http:/sample.com res. We are representing the flower.png. So this image is display. After loading the image object, view is set to the load the image using image view class. So image view class is nothing but to load the particular image object. Image view image is equal to new image by using this way. Here the example for the image, for that we require the import this number of statement. File input stream also required, javafx.application required, and javafx.scene.group is required. We are use the image, so javafx.scene.image is required to import the particular package. Here name of the class is image example. It extend application. Override public void start stage through exception. Public static void means string argument as we launch particular arguments, because we have to launch particular object. Here image is nothing but one object. Image is equal to new image, and we are giving the path of particular image where the image is stored. Image view also we required to view the image. Here x and y value is required where our image and what is the size of image we want to display. So image view dot set x is 50 and set y is 25. Here height and width also you can mention by using set fit height. So image will be displayed with the height of 455 and its width 500. Image view dot set preserve ratio, we can apply the preserve ratio true or false. Group root is equal to new group image view. Scene is equal to new scene. We required root value 60 and 500. Stage dot set title, the particular output of this program is loading an image. The title of the program is loading an image, and we can set the screen by scene, and the stage dot show method is required. What is the layout panes? After constructing all the required node in a scene, we will generally arrange them in particular order. That is called layout. This argument of the component within the container is called the layout of container. JavaFX provides the several predefined layouts such as hbox, vbox, border, pane, stack pane, text flow, anchor pane, title pane, grid pane, and flow panel. Pane is nothing but the panels, or we can say that it is the layout. Each of the above mentioned layout is represented by the class, and all this class belong to the package javafx.layout. The class name pane is the base class of all the layout in JavaFX. Remember this, the class name pane is nothing but the base class of all the layout used in JavaFX. Like this is the description of each and every shape, and hbox means this hbox layout arrange all the nodes in our application in single horizontal row. H means horizontal row. The class name hbox of the package javafx.scene.layout, it represents the text horizontally. If we display the text vertically, so we require the vbox. This layout arrange all the node in our application in a single vertical column. The class name vbox of the package class.scene layout represent the text in vertical text layout. And border pane layout arrange the node in our application in top, left, right, bottom and center position. The class name border pane of the package javafx.scene layout represent the border of particular layout. Stack pane is layout arranged in node in our application on top of the another, just like a stack. We all familiar with the stack in data structure. It is a first in first out. A node added first is placed at the bottom of the stack and next node is a place on top of it. So it will be like the stack data structure. First data will be it is not a first in first out, it is a last in first out. Text flow layout arrange the multiple text node in a single flow. The class name text flow, the package javafx.scene.layout, it represents the text flow. Anchor pane is layout anchor the node in our application at particular distance from the pane. The class name anchor pane of the package javafx.scene.layout represent the anchor pane layout. And next one is a tail pane. The tail pane layout add all the nodes of application in the form of uniformly sized tile. The class name tile pane of the package javafx.scene, its layout represent the tail pane layout. Grid pane, this layout arrange node in our application as a grid. We can say that it is the row and column representation. And this class of a package javafx.scene layout represent the grid pane. Flow pane, this layout wrap all the nodes in a flow. A horizontal flow wrap the element of a pane at its height, while vertical flow wrap the element at its width. How can we create a layout? To create a layout, you need to create a node instantiated to representative class require the layout, set the property of layout, add all created nodes to the layout. This is a simple example for layout. We require javafx.application, javafx.collection, observable list, javafx.geometry, insets, javafx.scene.star, javafx.scene.control, scene.layout. hbox is here we are using. If you working with a vbox, so you have to import the vbox. javafx.stage. This is the name of a class is hbox example. It extend application. We require public start stage. So in the start stage we require the logic for the hbox. Text field, we require text field is equal to new text field. Button, play button, new button, we are applied the for play and stop. hbox is equal to new hbox. One object is created for hbox, so hbox.set spacing, we are applied the spacing like 10. Margin, so here the value of margin by using the text field. New inset 20, 20, 20 and 20. Same way for play button as well as stop button. Observable list, we applied the node list is equal to hbox get children. List dot add all, so we require to add all the field like text field, play button and stop button. Scene is equal to new scene hbox stage dot set title. Here the title will be display hbox. Example, stage dot set scene, stage dot show, and we using the main method for launching the program. What is JavaFX event? We will discuss in next lecture. Event is nothing but the GUI application or a web application, graphical application, whether the user interact with particular application or nodes. Event is said to be a occurrence. This will be discussed in next lecture. Thank you for attending the session.